This is the topic of our teachers training level 2 that we have to complete all the TED Talks reviews that are mentioned in the curriculum. So the next topic of TED Talk review is Teach for Tomorrow's World by David Garner. So in this TED Talk for Tomorrow World's, David Garner delivers a powerful message about why education must urgently evolve to meet the demands of future. He challenges the traditional education system and asks critical questions like are we teaching students for the world live in today, or or the world will face tomorrow. So David Garner begins by pointing out the world is changing at the an unprecedented pace. So technology, automation, artificial intelligence, and globalization are transforming how work, communicate, and live. So, however, despite these rapid changes, many classrooms still rely on outdated teaching method that focus on memorization, rigid curricula, and standardized testing. So, on the key ideas of talk is knowledge alone is no longer enough. In the past, education focused mainly on content, facts, formulas, and information, but today information is available everywhere. What students truly need that are future ready skills such as in critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, adaptability, and problem solving. So, David Garner strongly emphasizes the importance of teaching students how to learn, not just what to learn. He explains that many of the jobs students will have in the future do not even exist yet. So this means the schools must prepare learners to be flexible, curious, and confident navigating certainly. So another powerful aspect of the talk is the role of teachers. Garner highlight the teachers are not just content delivers; they are facilitators, mentors, and designers of the learning experiences. So he encourages educators to move away from teacher-centered classroom and towards environment where students actively participate, explore ideas, ask questions, and learn through real-world challenges. So the talk also stresses the importance of purpose-driven education. David Garner believes that students should understand why they are learning, not just what they are learning. So when education connects to the real life problem and global challenges, students become more engaged and motivated. So all the mindsets and the review that by David Garner shared with us. Only one thing that I realized that we, Alhamdulillah, we are the um, um, world we are at least facilitating the in the world first digital school. Our students are not learning with the student centered or teacher centered class centered ideas. They are exploring from the they are learning from the artificial intelligence and many other tools. They are doing self learning. They are not waiting for the teacher that they will come and deliver the lecture. Our students are doing the efforts, lots of efforts by themselves. Even now they are teaching their facilitators, their mentors, because they are very fast. They don't need to unlearn things. So our students, alhamdulillah, are very active. And thank you to Rehan Wala, who introduces the first artificial intelligence school that is based on digital school. And the students are learning from the mobile phone and the laptop. And after listening this TED talk, it's just an amazing experience. that I'm learning from 2 years, and and I found that extremely relevant and motivating. This tech taught for me, and I strongly agree with the speaker. Because our education systems are still rooted in the past, and while our students are living in the future, and my daughters are even learning the same things that I learned um, 16, 18, 20 years ago. So David Garner's message remind us the teaching for tomorrow world is not optional, it is essential. This talk is wake up call for educators, parents, and policy makers to rethink the education and ensure the learners are truly prepared for the challenges and opportunities of the future. So I hope this TED Talk will help you guys as well for understanding the system, or for understanding the for what is required in our society. Thank you for watching.